In order to disable the wallpaper scroll effect in the home screen on Google Pixel 10, the only way to do so is by simply taking a screenshot of a clear wallpaper of yours. So this might only work in case you have the wallpaper saved, for example, in Photos over here. So let's say this is the wallpaper that I'm trying to use, but if I just simply apply it to the as a wallpaper to the home screen, then the scroll effect will be immediately applied because the photo is just bigger than the screen. So in this case, what we can do is we can tap once on the photos. As you can see now, everything turns dark over here, and we can zoom in. Let's try to zoom in. There we go. And now we can try to set up the position of the photo and so on and so forth, just as we wish it to be. And afterwards, we need to take a screenshot. So I'm gonna press the power button and volume down button. What is quite important is that, of course, we do not have any details like no time, no status bar, etc. Everything is clear. We just see the photo, and this is what we want. And afterwards, we're gonna go back, and let's actually try to open our screenshot. There we go. And now we can just tap on these three dots over here, and let's choose Use As and then Wallpaper. And now let's just go ahead and set it. I'm just gonna apply it for the home screen only. And now if I go back to the home screen, as you can see, if I scroll through pages, the wallpaper stays as it is. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.